Stop. Right now.
Let me go! You're trespassing on my property. Just trying to take my dog to the pound.
Mommy's got you. I'm not gonna let anyone hurt you ever again.
Miss Gray, I'm sorry, but the chances of you getting pregnant on your own are near zero.
God, why? Why are you so cruel to me?
I lost my parents when I was young, and now I'll never even be a parent myself.
There's no need to despair. Infertility is still treatable.
Really?
Yes. In your situation, the easiest way to get pregnant is through artificial insemination. The only thing is, it's a bit expensive.
Well, I'll have to talk it over with my fiance, but, I'm sure he'll support me. Tony?
Leah? Why are you here?
Babe, who's this?
She's that one ex I told you about, the clingy one who's broke and can't have kids.
Ex? You just proposed to me 2 weeks ago. Since when am I your ex?
You proposed to her?
No, of course I didn't. She threatened to kill herself if I didn't get back together with her. So I felt bad. I gave her a stupid little ring.
What?
Look at her. She's a infertile orphan girl. Why would I marry her? Your outfit probably costs more than her whole net worth.
You're such a liar. That is not what happened at all.
You think I would have ever offered to marry you if you hadn't lent me that 50 grand? F off, Leah. I only dated you because I felt sorry for you. I'm with Amanda, and we're engaged. And you're a childless orphan that nobody loves. Have fun dying alone.
Wait! An asshole like you doesn't deserve to be the father of my child. I'm gonna have a beautiful baby and live a beautiful life. If you don't want to be a part of that, go to hell.
Cookie, it's just gonna be you and me for a while. We don't need that loser, Tony. Good boy. Come on, eat your breakfast. Mommy has to go to work.
Sorry, that dress was all that I could find for you. Leah, after what happened, I think it's best you take tomorrow off. You need some time to rest.
No, I'm fine. We should discuss the next steps for our project. I promise I'll find a new investor as soon as possible.
Okay, sure. I trust your judgment. Leah, about the whole sperm bank.
Mr. Lawrence, that's a private matter. Okay, I don't want to discuss it with you. It won't affect my work.
It's not the right time to tell her.
Wait, it's been 2 weeks since the procedure. The meeting won't start for another 20 minutes. I'll just take a test right now. Oh my god, I'm finally pregnant. I'm gonna have a baby, a real baby. I'm gonna have my own family.
pregnant with my child.
Mr. Lawrence, I am so sorry. I was just joking around with a friend. You were not meant to see them.
Leah, please stay behind after the meeting. We need to have a chat.
Everyone saw what I said about Mr. Lawrence. I'm so fired.
Leah, wait there a moment, please.
Mr. Lawrence, I'm so sorry.
Why is it that you think I'm asexual?
That's not what I meant.
What did you mean then? I mean, if you really think that, you could find out for yourself.
God, he has really nice lips.
If you'll excuse me, I have to get back to work. What was that, Leah? You're really about to kiss him. Sure, he may be ridiculously handsome, but he's your boss. You shouldn't be in there. Let me in.
Tony, it's that dirt poor ex of yours again. Does she not understand that no means no?
Leah, everything you own is on the front porch. Pack it all up and leave.
You want me to leave? I pay half the rent. Cookie, what are you doing? Let him go, please. You can't breathe. Please let him go.
God, chill out. It's a dog. The real problem is he won't stop stalking my fiance.
Fine. Okay. I'll forget about the rent. You two will never have to see me again. Please, just go.
Jeez, you really love this little monster, don't you? Tell you what, if you get down on all fours and eat a full serving of dog food, I'll give him back to you.
What? You're being absurd. I'll call the police. Wait, no.
And what's that gonna do? It's Tony's dog, and we don't want him, so we're taking him to the pound. Are we breaking any laws?
No, please, no.
Guess you're not eating the dog food then. Too bad. Now Cookie will have to suffer in your place.
Stop, right now. Stop, right now.
Let me go! You're trespassing on my property. Just trying to take my dog to the pound.
Mommy's got you now. I'm not gonna let anyone hurt you ever again. Cookie is my dog. I had him before I met you. You think you could feed him a few times and call yourself his owner?
Wow, you really do get around. You were begging Tony to go back to you a few days ago, and now you ask some guy you're hooking up with to attack us? You'll pay for this.
Show them what happens when they talk to Leah that way.
You can't just hit me.
The cops are on their way. You'll both be convicted of animal cruelty. Enjoy prison food.
Thank you for that, Alec. God, who knows what would have happened to Cookie if you didn't show up.
Please. How could I see this little guy being bullied and not intervene? She's a dog mom now, but she's gonna be a real mom soon. It won't be easy for her on her own. Maybe I should tell her the truth. Leah. About the sperm that you bought, I'm... Hey, are you okay? Jesus, Jerry!
Cookie, are you okay?
Careful! She's pregnant with my child.
What?